Hello guys, so karong adlaw guys, ako i-share sa inyo ang unboxing of this Vatic Pro Prism Bloom nga paddle for pickleball. So, na siya yung plastic and of course karon ako i-share ninyo and let's discover what's inside. So una, makita ninyo is iyahang paddle, pickleball paddle case. So the good thing about this case is of course na iyang logo sa Vatic Pro and of course what kind of paddle. So Prism Bloom. And baga gid siya guys. So protected yun ang imuhang pickleball paddle ani. Okay? So it is designed for bloom. Lagpad siya. So right now let's go into the pickleball paddle itself. So ako na i-share ninyo unsay perform unsa iyang description ani based upon sa atong makita sa internet, and tomorrow pa nako ni siya ma-try sa court yun kung unsa iyang performance, but based upon sa iyang specs. So I wanna share to you unsay naaaning paddle. First is let's talk about the inner core of this paddle. So naani siya gitawag na to og honeycomb polymer core. So ang goal ani is more high quality polymer is the key para sa more power, more control, more feel and consistency. So ang sulod ani is very important. Another one is what we call the unibody plus the foam injected walls. It means iyahang wall ani mas naa siya'y foam nga gi-inject, and again that's for more high precision, high control, more power and feel. So ang polymer, it will give you more consistency, and then ang injected walls ani mas more power and feel of the ball, especially sa pag-swing nimo, pag-hit nimo. Another one is naidwa ni siya ka klase. There is that what we call the 14mm and the 16mm yang kabag-on. So kani siya is the 16mm. So I really don't know unsa ang feel sa 14 to ugma atong ma-try ang 16. Now in this 16mm, makita na to ang iyahang difference or ang iyahang specs, no? First is iyang average weight. So ang iyang average weight ani is 7.9, and of course if mo ni siya butangan mga cover and more grip, so mas makabugat siya, or maybe additional weight depende sa imong playing style. So basically ang stock niya is 7.9. Then the core thickness of course is 16mm, and the width is 8 inches ang kalapdon, and iyang length is actually 16 inches all in. And the grip length is actually 5.6. Pwede duha ka kamot ang imuhang ikupot. And the swing weight of this is 111 to 115. And yung twist weight is 7.3. So that's basically the specs of this kind of paddle. But also, ako po i-share ninyo guys, unsay nakanindot ani. Another one is what we call the cold molding technology. Kani siya maghatag nato ni siya o more kanang mas long last ang imuhang paddle tungod sa iyang process of constructing and the materials being used. Another one is what we call the durable grit surface. Kasi pasabot ana, as you can hear it, grabe ka ang grip sa surface is very good. It means more spin, more grip towards the surface of your paddle to the ball. Another one is the elongated handle, especially with the tennis elbow kani. Mura siya didako sa dapita. It means nga dili malusen, dili siya slide, especially kung basa imong kamot, mas grabe imong kupot, then pwede duha ka kamot ang imuhang especially when you're doing backhand. So I'm excited tomorrow. In my next video, ako i-share ninyo akong personal nga experience sa paggamit ani sa court. So thank you for watching, and if you have some questions, please drop in our comment section, and probably in my next video ato na siyang ma-feature. So just like me, a pickleball player and a beginner, we're exploring things, especially sa ato ang paddle na gamitan. So right now, this is Vatic Pro Prism Bloom. I hope you enjoyed this video. God bless everyone, play strong and enjoy the game.